Hey everyone. I took two trades today. Both of them were profitable, but they were very small trades. Again, I just don't feel comfortable with the market. Um, we had another big gap. I hate trading gaps, so I didn't really know how to approach the market today. So I took two trades basically simultaneously. I took Palantir, which the 8-day, see that 8D, that means the 8-day exponential moving average is pointing down. And 2D is the 2-day exponential moving average. That's actually this purple line right here, and it's also pointing down. So this is obviously a bearish setup. And I saw that the opening candle was red and it went down below the closing range of yesterday, and then it popped back up. So this generally is going to be a bearish setup. The first candle's red. That's telling you the direction it wants to go. It's in a bearish context, and meanwhile it comes back up again. Just a natural, dip buyers come in. So I just took a couple of positions here, very few. I think I took 4 or maybe 5. And obviously it took a while to play out, but then as soon as it got back down below the closing range, then it came down and I scaled out into, first I took a couple off. Yeah, I had 4 positions, 4 contracts. I took one off right here, and actually a second one in a very similar place during this little chop. And then the third and fourth I took as it broke this red line is previous day low, yesterday's low. So I took the last 2 off here. And at the same time, I took a bigger position, not very big, but bigger than that, in ServiceNow. And this actually was kind of a mistake on my part because the 8-day exponential moving average is pointing higher, and the 2-day is right here. So as soon as it got above it, the 2-day started trending higher in through here as well. But I took it for the same reason as I took Palantir. So the opening was bearish and it broke yesterday's low, and then it popped back up. And I started a position, I think, on this green candle. And then it took a while and it tested me a little bit. I thought this wick was going to be the end of it and it was going to come back down, which it did initially. But then sometimes it goes back and wants to take the wick, and that's what it did. So it came back up. I think I took a few more positions up here, a few more contracts. I ended up with a bunch of them. I don't actually remember, maybe 18, I think, or 20. And then, like I said, it took a while, but then as soon as it broke, as soon as this red bar came, then I knew I was going to be okay. I thought it was going to go lower. So usually when the opening bar is bullish, is green, then that opening print becomes support later on. But when the opening bar is red and it goes down first, usually the open is not support as it, if it comes down to it from above. And in this case, it was. So it stopped here. I thought it was going to go down and test this low bear or even the body low down here. That's what I was expecting. That's what I was hoping for. But it didn't happen. And it started coming back up. And I scaled out quite a bit in through here, but I took the remainder off right on that green candle there. So for the day, on Palantir, I made $518. On ServiceNow, I made $430 for a total of $948. Again, it's lower than what my goals are, but I'm grateful to be profitable. Here's my fills. So I got into Palantir here, as you can see, 3 positions, and then I took a 4th one right there. And then here is ServiceNow. And the first time I purchased was $1. And look at this. I mean, it just went, again, it really tested me. It went against me. And the last, I bought 3 up there at 50 cents. And that's actually what saved me. That's why I ended up making a decent profit, is because I had 3 at 50 cents. So then down through here is where I started scaling out. Let me see. So these first 4 is scaling out of Palantir. And then ServiceNow, I started scaling out. The best fill I got was $1.34. But then it started to go against me at the end there. So I took the rest off. I took 7 off here and 8 off here. That was probably the same order. It just executions. So in any case, small day for me, but I'll take the win. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about my approach to trading, then visit my channel and watch the videos that have a yellow dot on the thumbnail. If there's kind of a good learning point in the video, then I'll put a yellow dot in the thumbnail so they're easy for you to identify. I certainly appreciate you watching this video, and we'll see you again on Monday. Bye-bye.